Students, let us know how to write the word form of a decimal number. See, the first one I took here 14.254. How to write this one? See, 14. What is 14? Is a whole number part. We can as it is, we can write it as it is. See, 14 and point after 254 is there. What is that? 2 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, and 4 is in thousands place. That one only you can write it as 254 thousandths. What is the word form of this number? 14 and 254 thousandths. Okay. Now let's come to the next example, 3.12. Here, what is there in whole part of this number? 3 is there. So the 3 we can write here. And point after 1 and 2 is there. 1 is in tens place and 2 is in hundreds place. That one you can write it as 12. 12 hundredths. Hundredths. That means 12 by 100. Okay. So 3.12 is equals to 3 and 12 hundredths. Now the last one, 123.02. 123 and see, in tens place 0 is there, so leave that, and in hundreds place 2 is there. That's why I wrote 2 hundredths. So that's why 123.02 is equal to 123 and 2 hundredths. Understand? Students, now let us know about the expanded form of a decimal number. Here, take one example, expand 14.254. Expand 14.254. Before writing this expansion form for this decimal number, first we have to observe place value of 1. Here 1 and 4 belongs to whole part, no? Apart from this 1 and 4, you just observe what is the place value of 1. 1 is in tens place, so 1 into 10 is equals to 10. Next, place value of 4. 4 is in ones place, that's why 4 into 1, 4 ones are 4. Okay, we got here 10 and 4. Okay, now let's come to the decimal right side. What are there? 2. Where is 2? 2 is in tens place. Tens place. So 2 is in tens place. So 0.2 is equals to what? 2 by 10. Okay. Next one is 5. 5 is in hundredths place. So see, we are writing only about 5 now, not about 2 and 5. Okay. First one, 0.2 is over. Next one, we are writing only about 5, which is in hundreds place. That's why point after we should keep 0, 5. So what is the value of 0.05? 5 by 100. That is 5 hundredths. Okay. Last one is 4, which is in thousands place. 4 is in thousands place. So 0.004 is equals to 4 by 1000. So therefore, now we are going to write this expanded form of this decimal number. 14.254 is equals to 10 plus 4 plus 2 by 10 plus 5 by 100 plus 4 by 1000. Okay. Students, let us take one more example. 3.28. It's a decimal number, and here 3 is in whole part, and the digits 2 and 8 are in decimal part. Okay, and the center one, a dot is there. This is known as decimal point. Okay, now we are going to show this decimal number 3.8 in this way. Okay, like this also we can write our decimal number. See, here I draw 3 square boxes. Why? Because here what is there in the whole number part? 3 is there. That means 1 square box indicates 1, 2 square boxes indicates 2. Like that, suppose 15 square boxes indicates number 15. Okay, here we have the digit 3 in the whole part or whole number part. That's why I draw 3 squares here, and point after point right side, what is there in tens place? 2 is there. So again I draw one big square, and I divided this square into 10 equal parts. Okay, And out of these 10 parts, how many parts I shaded here? Only 2. 1, 2. 2 parts I shaded. And this is called 2 tenths or 2 by 10. 2 by 10 means what? 2 parts out of 10 were shaded. Okay. Now, next digit is 8. Where is 8? 8 is in hundredths place. So, for hundredths place, again I draw one more square. And this big square was divided into 100 equal parts. How many equal parts? 100 equal parts. And out of these 100 parts, how many parts we have to shade here? This is 100th place, no. In 100th place, what is the digit there? 8 is there. That's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. 8 parts I shaded here. So this is called 8 hundredths or 8 by 100. It's nothing but 8 parts were shaded out of 100 parts. Understand? Now just observe this one. So what I wrote here, hundreds, tenths, ones, that is whole number part. And to that decimal point right side, tenths place is there and hundredths place is there. See, each and everywhere you can observe one thing. Divided by 10, I wrote everywhere. And that divided by 10, how I wrote? Hundreds to tenths. The arrow is showing from hundreds to tenths. Divided by 10 is there. From tenths to ones also divided by 10 is there. Like that. Ones to tenths divided by 10 is there. And tenths towards hundredths place also divided by 10 I wrote there. See, just observe. As we move from left to right, the place value of digits gets divided by 10. As we move from left to right, the place value of digits gets divided by 10. Okay. Students, here is an example of how the fractional part can be converted into decimals. Okay. Here I draw one table and I wrote some place values here. Hundreds, tenths, ones. And after that, tenths, hundreds, thousands. See this hundreds, tenths, ones belongs to whole part or whole number part of a decimal number. And to the point right side, what will be there? Tenths, hundreds and thousands. These three belongs to the decimal part of a decimal number. Now here we are going to write these fractional parts into decimal numbers. Here I took three fractional parts here. First one 25 and 6 by 10. Second one 25 and 6 by 100. And third one is 25 and 6 by 1000. So let's come to the first one, 25 and 6 by 10. Here we see in 25 and 6 by 10, 25 is nothing but a whole number. 25 is a whole number. This is whole number or whole part. Okay, this whole number should appear in these place values only, like ones, tens, hundreds. So here 25 means 2, 5 only. What is there in ones place? 5 is there in ones place. And what is there in tens place? 2 is there. So 2, 5 came here. Okay, now decimal point we should keep here. Next, 6 by 10. 6 by 10. Actually, 1 by 10 means what? 0.1. 1 by 10 means what? 0.1. Like that. 6 by 10 means what? 0.6. Okay. So 6 by 10 means what? 0.6. 0.6 up. So here point after what is there? 6 is there. So point after what should come? 6 should come. Now let's come to that. 25 and 6 by 100. The procedure is as usual. Here also whole number part is 25. So in tens and ones 2, 5 will come and point after here 6 by 100. See 1 by 100 means what? 0.01. So 6 by 100 means what? 0.06. Okay. So here point up to 0.6 should come. Okay. Now last one. 25 and 6 by 1000. So 2, 5, 25 point. See here also. 1 by 1000 means 0.001. So 6 by 1000 is equals to 0.006. Okay. So point after what should come here? 006. So what are our answers? 25.6, 25.06 and 25.006. These are the decimal forms for the given fractional for the given fractional numbers. Okay. Okay students, now I am going to give you a small exercise on decimals. Okay. Write expanded form and word form to the following: A 23.15, B 215.008 and C 9.1. If you complete this homework perfectly, you will get 3 stars. Okay? So do this exercise perfectly. Okay?